The light is running out. I'm gonna make this video very quick. It's a follow-up video of my previous video. I forgot to open this. The mattress is still expanding. It's still the same day. But I forgot to open this. This is their free promo stuff that they have. It's about $399, I believe. They're giving out free. It's what it is I believe it's 2 pillows, a case, a mattress case, and maybe like a mattress sheet or a cover. I'm not 100% sure. This came later after these 2 items, but it's a free promo you guys can get online. I don't have a link with it. I'm not associated with it. I'm not promoting the product, but I wanted to make a quick video unboxing this real quick so you guys can see what it is, because I'm just as curious as you guys what's inside. I'm not putting the dirty box on the clean mattress. I'm sitting my dirty asses on it, but I'm gonna start opening it with their handy dandy letter opening tool. This thing is a life changer. I have no idea why I haven't used this before to open packaged boxes. This is so simple. And by the way, on the top, it says, do not use sharp instruments. This is not sharp. Alright, you have a piece of cardboard that comes free with your order of the Nectar mattress, but actually the little Residence box that they have, it says Resident Serenity Sleep Bundle on it. It's actually a full box inside a box. Oh! There we go. And another little piece of cardboard box, and I think I cut my lip. But here's what it looks like. It's the Resident box they provide. So it's a queen sleep bundle. It says it right here on the box. It says bedding, furniture, and more on this side, if you guys can tell. I'm excited to open it. Let's see what it looks like. If I know how to open it. Nope, it's glued here. I think you open it from this way. And here it says, cool, cozy, and so soft. Oh, so soft. Okay, here we go. There is the box being opened. On the top right here, you guys can't see the text, but it says, sleep is the best meditation by Dalai Lama. Did he really say that? Post down below in the comments if he actually said that. I have no idea. They give you a little welcome home card. And neatly packaged, you have box, or this little, I don't know what, a baggie I guess you can call it. And I believe this is one of the 2 pillows. This is the second pillow. This is the Mattress Protector, which is what I'm going to put on top of the mattress. And this is a sheet set. Actually, I'm very interested to try the sheet set, because if you go online and you're looking for like duvet covers and stuff like that, I'm becoming the expert when it comes to mattresses since I've been looking. But if you look online, a lot of duvets, they do come with sets with covers and maybe a pillow cover or 2. But none of them have sheets for the mattress, which is very weird. I want us to get some good sheets. Not like some extremely awesome sheets because they're expensive, but I want to get some good sheets. Anyway, I'm going to open these one by one so you guys can see what it is. Oh, and this box, I want to keep this box. This box is beautiful. If I can if I ever move again, which I probably will at some point, I'm gonna use this box to move my cool stuff that I got from Nectar. Or maybe I'll just buy a new one. Who knows? But let's open. I'm actually more interested in opening the pillows first. And here you can see it says right down here, jumbo pillow. So let's see how jumbo the pillow is. Neat little container. Oh, this is gonna need some power. Hey! And here's the pillow. It feels cool or wet. I can't tell. I think it's just feeling wet, or I think it's just feeling cool. But it's slowly starting to expand. So this is their pillow. I'm gonna put it aside because it's expanding. There's pillow number 2. And everything is packaged super neatly. And there's pillow number 2. I like my pillows fluffy or bigger, I guess, on the size. And I hope these expand more because they're very thin, as you guys can tell. They're super, super thin, and I want them to be a little bit larger. That's what she said. Alright, what's number 2? This is the mattress protector, so my dirty ass doesn't make it dirty. And here's a full-blown mattress protector that says right here, head or foot. So I believe what I'm gonna have to do is actually put this on the mattress itself at some point. No, this does not have to expand. But yeah, I'll have to see how this works, and I'll put it on the mattress so it can protect the mattress. And lastly, this is actually now, since I saw this, I'm really curious to see how these sheets feel. I'm very, very excited to try this. So it's a she set. These actually feel kind of good. They feel a lot better than I was expecting for a free promotional product that you're getting with buying a mattress. I thought these would not feel as cool, but they're very soft. I wish they're a little bit more breathable, because they don't seem very breathable, because my hand just sitting inside already, my hand is starting to warm up, and them sitting on my leg, it's starting to warm up. But this is the sheet, one of the sheets. Let's see what else we got. I guess we got a little top sheet, or the skirt, or whatever you want to call it. And this is the pillowcases. And they're not too bad. I'm not a big fan of the way the material feels. My skin is a little bit different, I guess. And it doesn't feel too bad. I think I'll be comfortable sleeping on this, but the material, I'm not a huge fan of the pillow material. However, the sheet material, it's the same, but it feels different, so I don't know why. But I'm gonna give these things a try. So my plan is, if you guys are watching the second video, my plan is to make a third video. It's gonna be like a smaller part, where I'm gonna review this in about 2 or 3 days. I'm gonna let the mattress expand, because still, I'm sitting at the end of the mattress, I'm sinking a lot. The mattress is not fully expanded. But it feels good. So this is what I'm gonna do, is in about 2 or 3 days, I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna create another video, and I will give you guys the full review from unpacking to actually sleeping on this bed, because that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna sleep like a fucking rock. I'm gonna sleep like a rock. I did not say the F word. Sorry. Anyway, thank you guys for watching again this video. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button, and I'll catch you guys later, or on the flip side.